Greetings from IBIL Solutions. As a registered Snowflake partner, IBIL Solutions is committed to helping clients accelerate Snowflake adoption and harness the immense power of the data cloud, where they have seamless access to explore, share, and unlock the true value of their data. It can be very tedious for clients to set up jobs to get their data into Snowflake. Sometimes, clients have tens if not hundreds of data files that need to be copied into Snowflake so that they can perform analytics on this data. Often, these data files need to be copied over into Snowflake on a continual basis. IBIL's data integration job orchestration framework solves this pain point for clients by providing an easy way for clients to configure and schedule jobs to copy data into Snowflake. Over the next few minutes, we will demonstrate how you can use IBIL's data integration job orchestration framework to load data from AWS EC2 to Snowflake. The framework is a Java application where Java has already been installed in an EC2 instance in AWS. We have also copied the Java executable to this particular instance. The framework creates jobs to be executed from the job config tab schema. Here we have an S3 bucket. Inside the S3 bucket, we have a couple of folders. We have configured these folders in Snowflake. Here we see the report card and the report card summer winter cell. We have configured these folders for job 0 and job 1. The next step is to upload some data files. Click on Upload, Add Files, Report Card. Here we have two data files. The framework expects a control file for each data file. These are control files for these two data files. Click on Open, Upload. We now upload the data to this folder. Here we have a couple of data files and its control file. The framework reads all the control files from the S3 bucket. These control files contain the files to be processed and its processing date. The framework copies all the data from CSV file from the S3 bucket to the Snowflake tables. To do that, we have already created tables here. Report card data and summer winter sum entry data both are empty right now. The framework copies data to the ODS table first. From the ODS, it copies data to the main tables. There is no data at present. Now we are going to SSH to this EC2 instance. Here we have a shell script that starts the main program of the framework. We can also configure the shell script in COM tabs so that we can schedule the program execution if needed. We have now triggered the job manually. job is now complete. Let's check the Snowflake tables now. We have to check to see if those tables are populated with the data or not. Preview data. Yes, we've got these 4 records. Now, we see these 2 records from file 1. We have copied the same data file, so these 2 records are from file 2. Now let's see the summer-winter's send-try. Here we have recorded the records from the file 1 and the records from file 2. These are the actual records and the actual columns present in the CSV file. Here in the job config schema, we have the audit related tables. Here we see the job run status, and here we can see at what time the main job has started, the start time and its end time. And we have 2 jobs, main job executed, 2 jobs for institution 0. That is job 0 and job 1, and its run date, run time, and whether it is completed or not. So here's job 0's start time and its end time. Then job 1's start time and end time. This information we can see for each job start time, end time, and its status and error messages, if any, can be seen here in this table. And here in the steps status, we can see more details about each job, what the steps performed are by each job and at what time. This is for job 0, the number of steps, and these are the steps for job 1. We hope you found this session useful. Thank you for watching this IBIL Solutions presentation.